Cheese! Hi, baby. You guys playing in the house? On the top of the mountain?
Mom, you want to get in there with him? I'll take your picture with him.
Oh, no. I'm doing a video. It's okay. Thanks. Hi, baby. What you doing? Go! Knock, knock, knock. Knock on the door. Let the baby in. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll knock on the door if I want to come in. Can I come in?
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, look at this. Is this your house?
Yes.
How nice.
This is it.
Yay.
I wish it the fire because it's really cold
It
outside.
keeps you warm by the fire.
Yeah, keep me warm. We stand by fire.
Here we are at the top of the mountain. I miss Daddy. I wish he was here, although I think he would have been scared on that gondola because it was so high up. All right. So can you say, I love you, Daddy?
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy. Evie, can you say, I love you, Daddy?